Hi, I'm Jessica Afeku, Security Product Marketing Manager for Microsoft, and this is VPNs and how to use them. Today, we can access the internet basically from anywhere in the world, even Antarctica. That's good news. The bad news is we aren't often anonymous when we're on the internet, even when looking at a funny avatar that looks like a robot wearing a party hat. The thing is, your IP address actually gives you away. This is a unique number that your internet provider assigns to you, like a home address for your computer. And it can also be used to track, identify, or even steal from you. There's a better way to browse the internet, using something called a VPN, or a virtual private network. Think of it as a fake ID for your IP, where instead of using your real address, it shows people a random fake address. If someone wants to rob you, they wouldn't be able to find your house. A VPN works by giving you a temporary IP address in replacement of your actual IP address, so you can't be identified. With governments, businesses, and criminals constantly trying to track, hack, or cyber attack, a VPN can help shield you from their efforts. It can also get you around certain sites that block you based on location of your IP. More good news, they're super simple to use. You sign up for a service with a monthly fee just like paying for your internet. Then, when you're online, it's on and you're fully disguised, which means more privacy, anonymity, security, and internet surfability. A VPN provides a safer, more secure connection to your network and the internet.